In this part, we are going to learn about how to install signatures in the AuraQuantic server. What is it for? To sign documents automatically? Who is it for? Server administrators. How can you get it? Through official certifying entities. And what are the requirements for its use? To have the certificate and install it on the server. Let's go now to the application to see where these signatures can be used. So if we go, for example, to this process, to the system task, okay, we can see the type of system task is uploader, and the function converts to PDF and signs integrated documents. Then we also have this option, digital signature configuration. It always has to be a certified signature with a certificate in the server. Okay, here we have the list of server certificates, the ones that we can use because they're in the server already. If we're in the server, we just have to go to manage. Okay, and then we can see here in personal certificates, and then we have all the ones, okay, that we have in the server already. So as we can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's go now to install a new certificate. I have one here ready to install, so we just have to click and install certificate. And then you just need to just follow the instructions. It's pretty easy, as you can see. And the import was successful. This means this certificate will be out in our list now. So instead of 6, now we will have 7. Okay, we have 7, and this is the one we just have added. And this will be all for the signature. Now it's your turn to proceed with part 8.